Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the social media. People thought that they are attracted from social media. She friend. When in the world have no phone, also people survive before. But now people say that without phone I'm nothing. Phone is everything for me. Yeah, phone is good for you. I don't wanna say that you don't carry your phone always. Phone important nowadays. If you are going to new district and you don't know the way and you search on the map, I wanted to go there on this destination, then you found. But the question is that why we hate phone and love phone. The thing is, see, you have three popular apps in the world. The around people use them, I think 2 to 3 hours. But come to adult around 60, 20s and 21. They are spend their time on their phone. I don't wanna say that all the adults and young and students using phone, but 50% students thought that they using phone they reduce their sadness. But friend, they don't think that they day by day attracted from game, from social media, from someone. The thing is simple. You wanna to leave any app, any distraction thing. First of all, you have to control this. This is a computer. It's built computer. It's built entire company. It's built this phone where you watch me. But the thing is simple. Nobody wanna to take risks and nobody wanna to tell their mind no. Stop tomorrow. I will not. No, there is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. Today is we don't know what will happen tomorrow. What we know what happened today because we know the 24 hours we spend in the day. We have planning. We 6 o'clock wake up. Then I don't say among we among have a family with living. So them family cook. But come to me, I'm cook by myself. So I wake up 6 p.m. and cook food. Then I go to work. These are time fixed. But the question is come to social. See, if you wanna to leave Insta, Facebook, any app in the world, first thing you have to do that is you tell your mind, you tell your brain, you earning money from social media. Is it good? You use. Tell me honestly why you use social for connect with friend, for connect with around the world. See what give you world, what gives you world's people, then they see your video. I think brother, if you upload video in a 1 month in a one, it will never viral. You thought that I'm the only one focus on my YouTube and Facebook and WhatsApp. It's need consistency. YouTube is a earning way. You earn $1 billion, but you have to contest them and you have to create a new way a people not make. Mr. Beast, he started from grass. He started from nothing, but now he is the one of the best YouTuber in the world. Once Ratan Tata said that where start the Facebook, Amazon, and Micro? They started from garage. So everyone started from garage. You see behind me it's ball. These are books. Bro, big brother, see, books give you knowledge. But I don't say about that. Books is give you everything knowledge. You gonna to more knowledge. You have money. Explore something. You have no money, no problem. In a years, you have 10 days free. You wasted something. You wanna to talk with around the world. You learn something. You wanna to different in your neighborhood, in your family. You have to develop in yourself different. See, you're thinking like you are 20 and you have no dollar, no good cheeks, no good face, no good hair. This is fake thing, bro. Fake thing, bro. This is not good. I know that when I was around 18 years old, I was very healthy. My cheeks are here, and these are not. I tell my father is like me. I was like him. Understand? And I also wanna talk about more thing. You know, the love of attraction. Nobody control you. You control you. If you wanna to go around the world, you tell yourself. You get from world something to you go, and you explore something to go. But otherwise, wasting of money. This is a base thing. What is the difference between asset and liability? Asset is you have something, you invest something, you earning from asset to asset, asset to asset. But liability is that you take a loan from bank, and you pay monthly EMI. You have a credit card, but you don't know the impact of credit card in the present, on the moment. Credit card is a good. You buy something, you have a important for something. Credit card is good, but for alcohol, for fighting, for why big thing, you never purchase by your own salary. You purchase by email, EMI. Bro, it is not good. So you have to think like never people think. You act like you never. Don't speak too much front of people. When you speak too much, people thought about he is nothing. Always be silent. Silent is the weapon. You don't know that. I realized in my 20s, and now I'm 21, and I tell myself I will be successful one day. What? One day? One day? There is no one day. Today is the day. Do I do? And that day I will be successful. The question is that you are up in progressing. You are in progress and leave this thought, burger noodle pizza. This type of thing is not good, my brother. One day they impact you. Why people thought that American people are more educated and more knowledgeable? We are also knowledgeable. They are did many things in their life. We also did our life to be also become like no one. You see, the lot of companies CEO coming from India. Why they don't choose Americans people? There is also many legends people is there. Microsoft, Facebooks, they started their journey from 20s. You are in 20s and you're chasing girls and chasing someone and using your phone too much. After that, you regret, oh, how many hours I use, and you see screen time. Oh my god, I spent 4 hours, 7 hours. Tomorrow I will never do this. But after tomorrow you do again. Why you tell yourself, oh, today, so some reel I school, yeah, some movies I see. Bro, see, after you marriage, then your wife is came in your family. Then your households become more. You buy vegetable, rice, potato, like many things for you, your child, for you and your wife. I see the many childs and no, child is child. My same is they are crazy. They wanna to marry, but they don't know their future. After that, their wife is came. They also teacher fighting and regret. Both are regret. Why I marry her, and he is also said that why I married to her and why I married to him. Because in success happen, the everything is great, but two things is very important. If a person who has with you, who don't need money but who is increase you and push you, don't worry, I am manage home, you manage your bulk. I believe you will be a leader in one day. That day a man realize one person supporting me and I never see behind. That is the day. So never regret. You have a young age and don't say you are young. You can do whatever you want. Doesn't matter. You are 70, 70. Yeah, you are 30. Yeah, you are 40. Doesn't matter. Money don't see you which hand have. If a child use, money don't see who is using. If a 16 years people use, money don't see who use. Every people use and every people have ability to earn. You create your own destiny. You create your own destiny. That day you realize when you successful that day, oh, I did something when I was in my earliest young age, and when uh, I thought always I can nothing do, I can nothing do, but why? See, the consequence is always with you. The circumstance is always what the thing you are surrounding by both consequence and the circumstance. They are both are brother sister. They always with you. If you are become the richest person in the world, also they with you because you have money, everything. But they also impact in your own life. So this is the basic thing. Tell yourself and don't see if you born a YouTuber, if you born a Instagram influencer, yeah, if you born a Facebook, well, yeah, you can. But see, do one thing, do one thing, and do honestly. One day you will be the king of you doing something. But doing the thousand thing, bro, this is the best thing. Don't chase him. See your girl or boy. Don't chase each other. Understand? The one girl said that uh, I am for you. I am. Many people say that this is your. I don't know the English name of these. You see the many lines in my hand have. People say, oh, you don't eating food. Your lines, these are lines showing everyone see. I said that see friend, this is my body, and also that time I feel regret. But after that I can talk. I buy many books. You see, who is Facebook founder Michael Job? No. Check this out. See, see. I love them because when you love them, you buy them behind story. What they did then them's life. See them. See them. Albert Einstein say that once if you tell to the fish climbing on the tree, he always wondering and all life he wondering how to climbing on the tree. Who is? Oh, Alexandra. Well, actually, I am very bad in English and reading, but I did everything something. One day I will ready to read everything and ready to speak everything. But I have leave here. मतलब will get. But see, don't regret. Do something.